Well, we're loading up some trucks. 60 Ford and a 51 Chevy and a 56 GMC or Chevy. But I'd like to share with you what I kind of do here at Rust and Restored. So today we have made an agreement to buy everything in this yard. So that small school, shorty school bus, all these parts, the 55 back there, the Iraqi taxi, the cab over, the square bodies, everything. Even the stuff in these trailers. This trailer's full of seats. That trailer's full of heads. But we did buy everything here. So this is kind of what we do. So in the next 2 to 3 months, we'll probably be pulling everything out of here. Just kind of got to wait for snow and everything to leave. You know, I don't know if I'm going to do much with that Astrovan. But these I will. A nice 4-door 51 Chevy and a 2-door and a 4-door Oldsmobile with a super sweet visor. Another Oldsmobile. Got all these rear ends and parts for days. But you know, you kind of want everything, right? Like, things are harder and harder to find. We got this 38. There's a 36 Chevy back there. There's a Packard. There's a 60 Ford. Here's a cool crew cab Chevy. The box on it is perfect. The other side's just as nice. 55 Chevy on a top of a 74 Ford. That one runs and drives, and we got the square body here. 2-door Belair. Got another square body, which also runs. This thing's pretty cool. 1961, I think. Made into a camper. We got another couple square bodies here. All the headers in there. Parts for days around here. I have a feeling I'm going to be spending hours and hours organizing parts to ship out here. Yeah, those crew cabs are sure cool. Just don't see them very often. Got a couple of vans too. Look, there's one over there as well. Those cool old shorty vans. That Ford has a cat engine in it and it runs. It's a 61 Ford missing a cab. 74. It does run and drive with 400 in it. And this crew cab has a 402 in it. Another square body. Some 2-door cars. A nice Ford box. A Oldsmobile, I think, convertible. There's a 69 Ford, a little bit of damage on the front, but the rest of it's all pretty good, actually. And there's another one behind it. Another 2-door. A 4-door Chevy. Another 69 Ranger. And some 4-doors and 2-door post and hardtops Oldsmobiles. This one's really cool. So it'll be at the shop here this week. Another crew cab. Some other old cars. That crew cab has a big block in it too that does run. Needs a tranny though. Says a 302 in it and it runs. Drove to here the other day. Then I got that all these Apaches, bumpers. Another crew cab, a couple of cabs for 55 to 57. Ooh, slippery. Almost bitter there. That would have been good for you guys who got to see. This is Pole Jenny. It runs as well. These 88s, they both have the big blocks in them that turn over. So desirable just for the vehicles. There's a 60 Ford, a 60 right behind it, a Merc. Another square body. Some more trucks, and here's a couple more of those 2-door and a 4-door. Another shorty bus, 61. Another 2-door. And a 39, and then a few buses and a couple of Vista Cruisers. But there is a lot here, so stay tuned and show you what gems we kind of pull out of here. Thanks for checking in, and make sure to subscribe.